सेशन का आगाज करते हैं। Be with me now. Your mics will remain on off mode. Rather, you have control of them. You can open them whenever you require. You can open them. Your mics are on off mode now, but you can open them. Yes, as per your requirement, whenever you require, you have control to open it. Okay, so let's move ahead to learn what is chatbot and how this can help us. Chatbot होता क्या है, हमारी क्या हेल्प कर सकता है, what are its powers, and nowadays what is its significance to use in business. So that we are going to learn in next 90 minutes. We will do a lot of brainstorming on WhatsApp chatboting, wherein whatever knowledge we have, जो कुछ हम जानते हैं, that we will share with you, वो आप सबके साथ हम share करेंगे. But in case you have some knowledge about chatboting which you think is not being shared or delivered here, you are welcome to share it in the group so that the people who are here can get benefit of your knowledge too. So that would be a mutual sharing kind of web workshop. It's not a only webinar wherein I will speak and you will listen. So it would not be like that. Here everyone can share. So whatever I know, I will share with you. Whatever you know, you can share with you, and you can ask unlimited questions here. But whenever I'm delivering something, I'll complete that particular topic, and after that I'll give you time, adequate time to ask a question. So please keep one pen and paper with you so that whenever you think there is something significant to note down, you can note it down. आप अपने साथ एक पेन और पेपर रखें ताकि जब भी आपको लगे कि बीच में कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट है जो नोट करना चाहिए, आप उसे नोट कर लें. एंड better to keep one water bottle so that whenever you think that you require water to drink, so you should not get distracted. आप चिपके रहें अपने मोबाइल से, अपने लैपटॉप या डेस्कटॉप से, और पूरे 90 मिनट के दौरान आज हम इस स्किल को यहाँ से पक्की करके जाएंगे, सीख के जाएंगे. और ये बहुत आसान है. इट्स टू इजी एंड एनी वन ऑफ अस कैन डू इट. हम में से हर आदमी इसे यहाँ कर सकता है. चलिए, let's move ahead. Be ready. Objective of today's lesson is how to make WhatsApp your virtual assistant. Means your WhatsApp application in your mobile phone can be treated as your virtual assistant, which can reply chats received in your inbox automatically. Yes, absolutely. Your WhatsApp can reply your chats automatically. So whatever frequent questions your customer, your client generally ask repeatedly, and you think that your time is going to answer those repetitive things, which is not a creative task. So it is your waste of time, and you can stop this pilferage of your valuable time. Just assign this answering work, answering task to your virtual assistant, your artificial assistants, which can do it better way on your web. वो आपके व्याप पर बड़ी आसानी से आपके हिसाब से लोगों को आपके उनके क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स बड़ी तरीके से दे सकता है और आपका कीमती समय बच सकता है. तो ये कैसे होगा? Let's learn this. So what we are going to learn here, we have parted in 3 parts. Out of that, the first is what is a chatbot? Let's learn it. There are many people here, those who require this definition that what is it is. And the second thing, if you could know that what it is, then why should you use a chatbot? And the third one, how to create and use a chatbot. And this third part is very significant to learn, and we will learn it very sincerely. आज हम ये तीसरे हिस्से को बहुत अच्छी तरह से सीखेंगे, और जब हम इस तीसरे हिस्से को सीख जाएंगे तो I can assure you, I cannot give you guarantee, but I can assure you that after today you would be able to use your WhatsApp as your virtual assistant and answering machine. आपके WhatsApp एप्लीकेशन को आप अपने कस्टमर्स की क्वेरीज और चैट्स का जवाब देने के लिए अपने आंसरिंग मशीन की फॉर्म में यूज करना शुरू कर देंगे, ये मैं आपको कह सकता हूं. चलिए, लेट्स स्टार्ट. Chatbot, what actually it is? I would like to know the answer of this question from you people here in the room. We are 20 people here. I would ask you that please put the answer in the chat box, or you can open your mic. You have control. You can open your mic and answer this. What is WhatsApp chatbot as per you? And what do you think by this? क्या समझते हैं आप इससे? नवाज अहमद, automated chat, yes.
It is a autoresponder, sir.
Great, wonderful, Rafat. Yes, next. So I would like to have one answer from everyone of this so simple question. सबसे सरल क्वेश्चन है और ये आपके लिए 100 रुपए का सवाल है. यस, बाकी टफ क्वेश्चंस आपके आते जाएंगे, उनकी वैल्यू बढ़ती जाएगी. यस,
virtual assistant.
Virtual assistant, wonderful.
Sir, it is artificial intelligence software which talks automatically to humans.
Absolutely wonderful. Great. Thank you. Next, please.
It's just like an IVR.
Yes, it's like an IVR. IVR, whenever you call a company, so one IVR gets activated over there and it keeps answering your queries, whatever you ask, and you just have to press something, some digit, and on the basis of those digits, you get information from that particular IVR system, wherein that is 100% artificial. No human interaction is there, but you are getting information real time. So this is also does the same way. Thank you. Thanks a lot, Nagesh. Yes, next one, please.
Auto response.
Auto response. Wonderful. Great. Nice. Thank you.
So it is like Alexa.
Yeah, it's a, you can say
Yes,
it's a small brother of Alexa. Yes.
Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah. Thank you. Next, please. Okay. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Those who have contributed and answered this question. Thank you. And let's move ahead to know its real definition. What it is. Just keep your eye on my screen. WhatsApp chatbot is an automated computer software powered by rules, powered by some rules being predefined. Rules predefined means the information is being fed and the software is being programmed. Or artificial intelligence means there is some intelligence being put inside this and it is made able to answer the questions on the basis of nature of the questions and run on the WhatsApp platform. So the WhatsApp chatbot is a computer software being created just to answer the queries of chats being received on WhatsApp platform, and how this answers, either it answers according to the pre-designed rules, or using artificial intelligence. That's a simple thing. And you already have answered a lot of things about this. So I will not spare a lot of time on this. Then people communicate with WhatsApp chatbot via the chat interface, like taking to a real person. It actually works, and it seems that a person is answering the questions. ऐसा लगता है कि वहां से लोग कोई ह्यूमन बीइंग है जो आंसर कर रहा है. सो देयर इज नो डिफरेंस. चैटबॉट पर आप आंसर करेंगे तो क्या फर्क पड़ेगा, आदमी आंसर करे या मशीन आंसर करे, सामने वाले को तो पता चलेगा कि उसको आंसर आ रहा है. तो ये बिल्कुल वैसे ही रियल पर्सन की तरह कम्युनिकेशन करता है. इट्स अ सेट ऑफ ऑटोमेटेड रिप्लाईज दैट stimulates a human conversation on WhatsApp. ये एक सेट ऑफ ऑटोमेटेड रिप्लाईज है जो ह्यूमन कन्वर्सेशन के लिए यूज होता है, ह्यूमंस के साथ कन्वर्सेशन करने के लिए यूज होता है. एंड यू कैन से इट्स योर असिस्टेंट that communicates through text messages and replies human conversation. Whatever I'm saying on my screen, that is the same thing which you have shared. I'm just repeating it. And you also save your customers' time and yours time by answering questions or confirming appointments in real time, which helps to improve the customer experience. Actually, whenever customer want answer, so you being a human being are not available 24 hours to answer the chats, but customer never wait. Customer wants real-time replies. So this way, this chatbot can satisfy the queries of your customers in real time. That's a great thing about this. So these were the definitions of this, and what are its advantages. So you people already have shared a lot of things, but I would also reiterate on this. It is 24-hour service. Whenever a customer or a person sends a chats on your WhatsApp, they get real-time answer and instant answering. Being a human being, sometimes you are engaged somewhere, you are engaged on your dinner or lunch or breakfast. That time you cannot reply the queries of the people. But this machine never goes on lunch, dinner, or breakfast. It can reply instant. Whatever query it received, it instantly reply. It gives the replies of them. Third, convenience. It's so convenient to use, and any layman person also can use this. So you would think that any layman person can use this. End-to-end encryption means there is no issue of data security, because WhatsApp in itself is very much secure platform. Seamless customer experience and better brand recognition, because whenever people and your customer require put query and they get answers easily in real time, so your brand gets recognition from that. Apart from that, there are multiple benefits of this. So you can see, you can think that it is a very beneficial tool, and it can be a very beneficial tool for each of us who is actually engaged in any kind of business. तो हम किसी भी बिजनेस में हो, ये हमारे लिए एक बहुत ही प्यारा टूल हो सकता है, बहुत अच्छा टूल हो सकता है, बड़ा किफायती, अच्छा यानी हेल्पफुल टूल हो सकता है, जहां लोगों की क्वेरीज को हमारे वेब पर ये आंसर करता चलेगा. Now we are coming to the third phase of this, which is the significant phase. How can I get it? How can I start it? मैं इसे कैसे स्टार्ट कर सकता हूँ? तो ये बात हमें, पंकज पाटिल जी आप 2 आईडी से एंट्री कर रहे हैं
यस सर मैं
जी, चलिए ओके। हाउ यू कैन गेट इट, आप इसे कैसे शुरू कर सकते हैं, आप इसे कैसे लगा सकते हैं, आपको चैटबोटिंग कैसे मिल सकती है, चलिए सीख लेते हैं कि आज आप कैसे चैटबोटिंग लगा सकते हैं। नाउ प्लीज put your attention on the screen for next 20-30 minutes. In case you could focus on 20 minutes on the screen for 20 minutes, this chatboting will be yours. And the beauty of this is that you need not to make expense for this. It has 2 options to use. You have 2 options to use this for your benefit of your business. One, through free applications, affordable cost applications. So there are certain applications which can be used. They are available free, or you have to make a little expense for that. I would not say you that make expense, because our USP is that we never ask you to buy some softwares. You can start it using on free applications. And when you think that free applications are giving you value, keep using them. And whenever you think that now you require some commercial use of them, you require one advanced way use of them, then you can go for expensive applications. So there are 2 ways. You can take picture of this screen, or you can note down with you that chatboting for WhatsApp can be done 2 ways, either on free application, and second, commercial applications, which is little expensive. Not little, it's a good expensive kind of facility. So now that's upon you. I would like to know from you people which one option you would like to start to have one WhatsApp chatbot for you. कौन से वाली एप्लीकेशन, कौन से वाला ऑप्शन आप अपने लिए चाहोगे? Yes,
First option. First option.
Very good. We are very proudly we can say that we are Indian. Wonderful. तो हम पहले ऑप्शन पर जाना चाहेंगे। कृष्णा जी ने कहा we will go on the option 1. Yes. कोई और भी है जो ये सेकंड ऑप्शन के लिए कह रहे हो शुरू में? I think no. Okay. In case I would be in your place, I also would choose first option, because whenever you are going to use
First option.
Great, wonderful. Both the options, Nagesh Sethi ji. Great, wonderful, nice. चलिए, पंकज पाटिल जी 1. बाकी सबसे चाहूंगा कौन से ऑप्शंस आप यूज करना चाहोगे? मेजोरिटी फर्स्ट ऑप्शन के लिए जाएगी। Okay, the first option. Okay, let's go for first option. And second option, what are these options? Let's learn in detail. हम इन्हें तरीके से सीखें। Option 1, free or less expensive apps. The options with you are, you can note them here. Autoresponder for WA, it's one application which is available on Google Play Store for free to start with. But in case you want to have their premium version, you have to pay 990 rupees for lifetime. That is very affordable cost. Second is Auto Reply. This is again one application which is available on Google Play Store. That's free to use to start with. But if you want to have the premium version of them, it costs you 199 or 299. So I have little confusion whether it is 199 or 299. So this is two cheaper application. Third application which I recommend to you. That's Vox Auto. That's available for free. And apart from free, the premium version of them is rupees 799 for lifetime. Isn't that too cheap? कितना सस्ता है, कितना सरल है. And the fourth one is Vox Boat Plus. It's again free, and premium version may cost little bit parallel to these costs to you. So these are 4 popular chatbots which can be used on your free WhatsApp application, which is available either that's a normal WhatsApp, which is called Messenger, or the another one WhatsApp Business. It can work with either of them. किसी के भी साथ, दोनों में से किसी एक एप्लीकेशन के साथ ये काम कर सकता है. तो ये 4 एप्लीकेशन हैं हमारे पास जो फ्री या लेस एक्सपेंसिव हैं. अब इन चारों में से मैं आज किसी एक एप्लीकेशन को आपको यहाँ डेमोन्स्ट्रेट करके बताऊंगा. उसके बाद चलिए सेकंड ऑप्शन भी देख लें. लेट्स सी द डिटेल्स ऑफ सेकंड ऑप्शन. Second option says there is one service provider that is called Smashbot. They charge approximate 7,500 to start with, and there is a recurring cost of approximate 5,000 rupees per month. 5,000 rupees per month is their recurring cost. Yellow AI is another service provider. Their charges are approximate 8,000 rupees per month for 2,000 contacts. And in case you go for 5,000 contacts, then they will charge rupees 15,000 per month. Third one is Morph.ai. They charge rupees 2,999 per month, and they allow only 10,000 messages, and they have 2 weeks trial, which is free. Fourth one is EnhanceNow.com. They charge 199 USD per month. Enhance Now. And the next one option is Boatscrew. Apart from these 5 options, you can get multiple options available online. Once you will search on Google, then you might be getting a lot of options for WhatsApp chatboting, commercial chatboting. Out of those, these are the basic chatbot companies which actually can provide you a chatbot in affordable cost. So that is the second option. Now it depends upon you how you should go ahead. But my recommendation to you would be that you start with option 1, then whenever you require that you should require a commercial use of WhatsApp, then you should go for that. Because in the second option, you would require WhatsApp API. Means you would require a programming interface tool which actually gets provided by WhatsApp Corporation only. WhatsApp provides WhatsApp verified account against your application. They judge your company, your business, and you, and they verify it, test it. Once they found you intact for your use, for your fair use, then only they allow you to use API. They issue you API, and with that API, you create one commercial chatboting from these companies which I have shown you. So then API plus commercial chatboting both will get sandwiched together, and then your chatboting machine will work over there. Then you will get a virtual assistant, commercial assistant, and you might have seen nowadays banks and airlines companies and e-commerce companies are sending WhatsApp chats in place of SMS. So those companies are using such kind of facilities API plus chatboting machine. So these both get sandwiched together, then you get a virtual assistant actually for your commercial use. Now I think it's clear to you. Now let's move ahead in our practical session, how we can create one. So let's create one very easily in 8 steps. So you can note down these 8 steps. So we are going to create one application, one chatbot application for free out of the versions we have. So are you ready to learn this? In case you are ready, put ready in the chat box so that I can get motivated, and let's move ahead for these 8 steps. Yes, please. Would like to have you ready in the chat box. नागेश जी ने सबसे पहले बाजी मारी. कम ऑन, बहुत बढ़िया. मुझे 4-5 रेडी मिल गए. दैट्स ओके. अभी मेरा कोटा पूरा हो गया. लेट्स मूव अहेड. So please take pen and paper with you and note down these 8 steps. Rather, this session is getting recorded, and in case you note down these, so this will be an additive benefit for you, because for recording you have to watch this recording for entire 1.5 hour. पूरा 1.5 घंटा ये recording आपको देखनी पड़ेगी. चलिए, अभी किसी ने हैंड रेज किया है. यहां तक किसी का कोई क्वेश्चन हो तो पूछ सकते हैं. इन केस यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन सो फार, यू कैन ओपन योर माइक एंड कैन आस्क प्लीज. यहां तक किसी का कोई क्वेश्चन हो, यू कैन आस्क प्लीज.
No.
Great, wonderful. So let's move ahead. For 8 steps, you have to download Vox Auto. Step 1, download Vox Auto. And where this Vox Auto is available, it is available on Google Play Store. So the exercise 1 for you is to download Vox Auto. You write on Google Play Store Vox Auto, and you will get this application. I can show you where it is and how you can get it. You can see it on my screen. Vox Auto, just a minute. Yes, this is the application where A is mentioned over there. Vox Auto, A is mentioned there. This is the application. Is that visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
please,
sir, yes.
please download this Vox Auto in your mobile phone.
Downloaded, sir.
Okay, so let's move ahead. बाकी सब जो download कर लें, please write in the chat box, download it. Yes.
Lukman sir, we
Yes,
need
please.
to have a dedicated number for this, or we need to have WhatsApp business for this particularly?
No, whatever number you have, so it can be downloaded, it can be clubbed with that only. You need not to have anything separate facility for this in the form of WhatsApp or number. You need not require anything, sir. You just have to download this. It will get applied on your WhatsApp number, whichever number you want to apply.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Okay. So
तो एक बार फिर से बताएंगे.
हाँ जी बताएं, मुझे रिपीट करें, क्या बताना है सर?
वो ऐप कहाँ से डाउनलोड किया हो?
हाँ, गूगल प्ले स्टोर से डाउनलोड किया। एंड वॉट्स ऑटो, मैं यहाँ लिख रहा हूँ चैट बॉक्स में आपके लिए, वॉट्स ऑटो ये है। ये गूगल प्ले स्टोर पर जाके आपको डाउनलोड करना है।
This is by Bringer Apps.
इट्स I can show it to you, sir.
Yeah, share, Lokman sir, I shared the link.
Yes, ये लिंक आपको मिल गया है, यहाँ से डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। ग्रेट। And how it will look like. So this is the application you can see on my screen. Box Auto. And in your mobile phone, it will look like this. There is A mentioned in green circle. This is Box Auto. मिल गया सबको? Okay. किसी का माइक ओपन है प्लीज?
सर ऑटो रिप्लाई ऑन कर देना है या ऑफ कर देना है सर?
मैं अभी बता दूंगा। अभी आपने डाउनलोड कर लिया। डाउनलोड
Yes.
करने के बाद एक्चुअली इसकी एक बहुत बेहतर तरीका है। आप इसको जस्ट ए मिनट, किसी का माइक ओपन है प्लीज? स्टेप 1 इज क्लियर टू एवरीवन, सबको मिल गया? किसी को नहीं मिला तो मुझे प्लीज क्वेश्चन यहाँ लिख सकते हैं। यू कैन राइट इन केस यू कुड नॉट गेट इट। हैव यू डाउनलोडेड?
Yes, get it.
चलिए चलिए मैं आगे बढ़ता हूँ स्टेप 2 पर। Step 2, whenever you will go to this, then you will require to on your notifications for WhatsApp Auto in your mobile phone. So whenever you go on this, it might be asking you for notifications. On करने के लिए पूछेगा ये आपको सेटिंग्स में जाके। अगर आपसे पूछा है तो आप उसको ऑन कर दें, नहीं पूछा तो नॉट ए प्रॉब्लम, ऑटोमेटिक आपका नोटिफिकेशन ऑन होगा। इन केस इसने डाउनलोड करने के बाद जब आप WhatsApp Auto ऑन कर रहे हो तब इसने पूछा नोटिफिकेशंस ऑन करने हैं, तो यू जस्ट गो एंड ऑन द नोटिफिकेशंस इन योर मोबाइल फोन, बिकॉज इट विल रिक्वायर टू स्टार्ट नोटिफिकेशंस फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर एप्लीकेशन। यस, नागेश जी ने लिखा सेटिंग्स एप्स WhatsApp Auto टर्न ऑन। ग्रेट, वंडरफुल, थैंक यू नागेश जी। स्टेप 3, now you have to create a Google Sheet and you have to name it with WhatsApp bot or chat bot. How you can create this? Just move with me. Satya, are you there? मोबाइल सेटिंग्स किसी ने पूछा है, डिजिटल पेज है। मोबाइल सेटिंग्स में जाने के बाद मोबाइल सेटिंग, सो यू हैव टू, स्टेप 2 इज फॉर मोबाइल सेटिंग, नॉट फॉर ऐप सेटिंग।
यहाँ पर ऑटो स्टार्टअप भी है, उसको भी ऑन करना है।
ऑटो स्टार्टअप नो, अभी नहीं ऑन करना, अभी हम आगे एक एक करके बढ़ते चलेंगे। सो सत्या, आर यू देयर इन द रूम?
सर वो ऐप आपने जो दिखाया था,
ओके, यस प्लीज।
जी उसमें ए जो है उसमें कंप्लीट राउंड सर्कल नहीं है। द ऐप यू शोन, इट वाज शोइंग ओनली हाफ।
So
or
you
3/4 circle.
you just click on the link being put by Mr. Nagesh here. Chat में
Okay.
Mr. Nagesh ने link रखा है, आप उसको click करो।
Yes, sir.
Okay, Satya, thank you. So there is somebody, Sameer. So I would like to know who is. Yes, Samir ji, can you open your chat box, please? Open your mic, please. Samir, किसकी identity से है, please? Satya, please take care for this, Samir.
Yes, sir.
So now we have to go to Google Sheets. How you will go? Be with me. I'm going to Google Sheets. And in Google Sheets, I have created one sheet with the name of Box Auto. But you can put any name of this. But I would recommend that you put the name either Box Auto or WhatsApp chatbot so that you can recognize it easily. You can identify it easily. आप आसानी से ढूंढ सकें. तो यहाँ Google Sheet में मैंने क्या किया? Box Auto में गया. ये मेरी सीट है जिसका मैंने नाम रखा. And you just have to use 2 columns of this sheet. 2 columns of this sheet. आपको इस सीट के 2 कॉलम बनाने हैं. And you need not to write any name in the columns. Column head नहीं चाहिए. Simply you have to write your questions here. Like here you have to write questions and here you have to write answers. So I'm adding this line just for your convenience so that you can know what questions you anticipate, expect from your people, and what answers you should give or you give generally against those questions. Like if somebody asks me anything or send anything me, then we have to reply with this. We are a joint venture of People Trainers and Margdarshan Guru. We do train people at digital marketing, business excellence, professional excellence, and life excellence. Now, what you want to know, in case you want to know about digital marketing, then type DM. If you want to know about business excellence, type BE. If you want to know about professional excellence, then type PE. And for life excellence, type LE. And in case you want to connect with us, apart from this information, in case you want to know something else, you have something to ask, which is not being covered in these options, then what you can do, you can type V so that we can connect with you. So I have given entire options with this person, to this person, that whatever he want to know from me, so he should have options over there. So in case he types DM, then the answer will go this. In case he types BE, then the answer will go this. In case he types PE, then the answer will go this. And if he type LE, then answer will go this. And if he type V, then answer will go this. So you have to create one Google Sheet. In this Google Sheet, you can write n numbers of the questions and answers. N number of the questions and answers. Now this WhatsApp Bots Auto chatbot will apply its AI and logic that what is the question and what is the answer, so that it can give automatically on your behalf. So I think this is okay with anyone. यहाँ किसी का कोई question हो तो पूछ सकते हैं. किसी का कोई क्वेश्चन हो तो यहाँ पूछ सकते हैं.
सर पंकज पाटिल,
गूगल शीट में ही करना है, राइट?
यस, ये गूगल शीट में करना है. रादर विदाउट गूगल शीट भी कर सकते हैं, बट गूगल शीट में करेंगे तो इट विल बी इजी टू यू टू राइट हियर. यहाँ आपको बहुत आसान होगा. एंड दिस विल बी अ सेंट्रलाइज्ड प्लेस वेयर यू कैन पुट योर क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर्स, एंड दिस Bots Auto will automatically pick the answers of the questions being received in WhatsApp. Now you can see there are 3 things being clubbed together, aligned together, joined together. One is your WhatsApp, second is Bots Auto, and the third is this Google Sheet. This Google Sheet is the actually database of answers. WhatsAuto gets questions from WhatsApp and gets answers from this Google Sheet and serve these both the applications in very logical and artificial intelligence way. यहाँ बिल्कुल ठीक है. अगर ये स्टेप सबको समझ में आ गया, तो मैंने बहुत सिंपल यहाँ मेन्यू क्रिएट किया है. I have just created 6 options here. So you can start by creating such kind of small menu for you. पहली बार आपको बहुत ज्यादा एडवांस और स्ट्रक्चर्ड नहीं बनाना. आपको पहली बार 5-6 ऑप्शन ही लिखने हैं. जब आपको वो बहुत सेटिस्फैक्टरीली रन हो जाएं, तब जाके आप आगे कर सकते हो. अब ये कैसे काम करेगा? How actually it works? So I am just putting one phone number in the chat box, and you can send hi to this number. Yes, this is a different number. So you just save this number in your mobile phone and send hi to this number, and you can feel how this WhatsAuto is getting replies, getting queries of you, and just providing you replies. Please save this number in your mobile phone.
Which number, sir?
The number I have put in the chat box, I think it is not visible to you. Just a minute. I have put it here. Or I can put it in the chat box also. Chat box and WhatsApp page. Group also. Yes, I have put in your WhatsApp also. You can save this number, and I'm getting replies from you. Yes, please, ma'am. मेरे पास इसकी queries आनी शुरू हो गई हैं.
Sir, which number is this? Can I know?
ये एक नंबर है जिस पर ये आपका चैटबोटिंग काम कर रहा है. ये नंबर आपको सेव करना है और आपको उस पर हाई लिख के भेजना है.
Okay.
Yes. I can show you that I'm getting your queries here. You can see on my screen that you are sending the queries and you might be getting answers. Yes, so there is one from 99404-77032. And C Krisha जी ने किया. Yes, आपके क्वेश्चंस आ रहे हैं और आपको उसकी क्वेरीज के आंसर भी मिल रहे हैं. Are you getting the answers, please? In case you are getting it, you can put in the chat box. Yes.
Sir, how to do this?
हाँ, simple. पहले तो आप experience करो उसको. Then I'll make you learn that how you can do this.
Yes, sir.
You just experience that whether it is giving the options, whatever you are typing over there.
Yes, sir.
As the options, then you are getting answers. Okay. Now the same way you can do this for yourself. It is too simple and you need not to buy anything. It is free application. Whatever I'm using that is 100% free. I'm also not using any premium version of this. So I'm continuously getting the queries from you. Yes. So far it will not answer you the answers of hello and other things because I have not programmed for that. But it can be programmed for that also. Means any questions, if somebody put anything in the query, then it will be able to answer that. So that logic you can also apply.
हेलो सर,
तो
पंकज
Yes,
सर ये
पांडे।
हमारे नंबर से कनेक्ट नहीं होगा।
आप ही के नंबर
तो-
से कनेक्ट होगा,
अच्छा, ये हमारे नंबर से कनेक्ट होगा।
आप ही के नंबर से कनेक्ट होगा।
ओके।
सर यहाँ पे अगर किसी ने हाई नहीं टाइप किया, स्टार्टिंग में कुछ अलग ही कुछ टाइप किया, तो आंसर नहीं करेगा फर्स्ट टाइम?
नहीं, अभी आज मैंने प्रोग्राम नहीं किया, मैंने इंटेंशनली प्रोग्राम नहीं किया है वो। मैं आपको वो बताने वाला हूँ कि वो अगर आप हाई के अलावा भी किसी ने कुछ भी लिख दिया है तब भी वो कैसे आंसर करेगा।
ओके सर।
पहले आप इसको सारे एक्सपीरियंस कर लें, अभी तक बहुत सारे एक्सपीरियंस आ रहे हैं। अभी जो हाई के अलावा कुछ लिख के भेज रहे हैं उनको आंसर नहीं मिलेगा। ये मैं उसको प्रोग्राम करूंगा तो फिर हाई के अलावा भी लिखोगे तो करेगा। Now it's okay. I think you have experienced this.
Yes, sir. Instead of hi, I put hello. I won't get any reply.
You could not get any answer, but you can get answers
Yes.
if it got programmed, because in my Google Sheet, I have not told this. So I'm just stop sharing. Why it could not answer your different questions? So I can show you once again in my Google Sheet that the Google Sheet has Google Sheet is being programmed for only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 type of queries. If it gets high, then only it will answer with this text. If it gets DM, then only it will answer this. If it gets BE, then it will answer this. If PE, then it will answer this. LE, then it will answer this. D, then it will answer this. So hello is not an option here so far. If hello is not an option and it is a computer program, then it will not answer your hello. It is not able to answer this. But if you require to answer that if anyone write anything to you first time or repeatedly, it will keep answering the same thing, like it is answering hi. We are a joint venture of People Trainers and Margdर्शक Group. So whenever you write anything, it will answer with this, so that you go ahead in the menus. तो ये यहाँ तक हमारे समझ में आ गया। अब इसे आगे कैसे प्रोग्राम करेंगे? So let's move with me. ये गूगल सीट सबको समझ में आ गया?
सर इसमें हाइपरलिंक भी डाल सकते हैं गूगल शीट में?
Absolutely, मैंने डाला है, ये देखो।
यस
और
सर।
आपको दिखाई दे रहे होंगे वो सारे।
यस सर, यस।
हाँ, आप डाल सकते हैं।
यस सर।
चलिए, मैं अब आपको इसको आगे कैसे प्रोग्राम करना है।
Great, great. It's good. It's just like a normal reply, but it is
100%.
programmed one.
Yes, it's programmed. Now, put your eyes on my screen. It's a free application. Now, how you have to program this for yourself? The first thing, there are 3 dots on the top right corner, 3 vertical dots. Click on those 3 dots. And here you can see there are 4 options: not working, help, settings, upgrade. Whenever you think that it is not working, then you have to click on not working. So this is a tool with you. It is so efficiently help you, then it asks you always yes or no. Do you receive a notification for every incoming message from your messaging app with a reply button? So अगर आपने ये मैसेज आपको मिला पहली बार तो yes, otherwise no. If I write yes, then it will go on the no. If I click on no, then actually it will lead me to the notification settings. You can see it will lead me to the notification settings. Like it will open my mobile phone settings, and then here what you have to do, you have to open Vox Auto notifications. Yes, this is Vox Auto. Here what you have to do, you have to provide certain permissions to your Box Auto. So it gave you this option directly. In case you click on yes, then it goes further. If your messaging app is enabled in the supported app in the Box Auto, if you have done it, then yes. If you're not done, then check it. It will lead you to your mobile phone settings. Then you have to open this WhatsApp Business or WhatsApp, whatever application you are using. You have to open this. It's a toggle button. You just have to open that. So now, once again, not working. This way, it leads you step by step. Wherever you are stuck and your application is not working, this application help you to just find out the bugs and start your application. That is a beautiful application of this. Then there is a this arrow button here. In case you want to send some message to a number which is not saved on your mobile phone, you need not to save it for a single message. What you can do, you just type that number here. You just type that number and message, and this will send the message to that unknown
Sir,
person.
it is for unknown numbers or
Yes. So this application. So I'm just telling you what this application can do for you. In case you want to send one message to one person casually, and you think that that number is not required to save in your mobile phone, so what you can do, just go to Box Auto, type that number, write that message, and just click on this send. And this will send the message like I'm sending. If you write hello, this is a different application, different use of this. So it will land you directly. So it is saying the phone number is not on WhatsApp because I have put 9191 2 times. Otherwise, you can see in the background it has opened the WhatsApp and it will send the message. So this way, this is one application of this. Now, two things I have told to you. One, settings. If the application is not working, then you can use this not working. And second, in case you want to send a message to a unknown number, you can send it from here. Now, the third application, how you have to program your application, just go to menu, which is the leftmost tab. Go to menu. You went over there. Now in menu, what you have to do, you have to log in your account here. I have already logged in, but in case you did not log in, so you have to log in with your email ID. Why email ID? Because you have to use your Google Sheet, and your Google Sheet is accessible through your email ID only. तो आपको जब अपनी Google Sheet इससे कनेक्ट करनी है तो अपनी email ID पहले कनेक्ट करनी पड़ेगी. तो यहाँ अब हमें क्या करना है, लाइक ये स्प्रेडशीट से मुझे कनेक्ट करना है. तो देयर इज द 6th ऑप्शन, स्प्रेडशीट. जस्ट क्लिक ऑन दिस and you have to click on sync button here. Now because my Google Sheet is already connected and my email ID is also being logged in, then it will open directly all the Google Sheets in my account, Google Sheet account. मेरे पास जितनी भी Google Sheet है सारी open कर दी. The same way your Google Sheet list will also come here, and just I have to click on Box Auto. तो आपको भी वो sync कर लेनी है. Now your Google Sheet got connected with your application. आपकी Google Sheet आपके application के साथ connect हो गई. अब ये आपके क्वेश्चंस के सारे आंसर्स यहाँ से पिक कर सकता है, एंड ऑन द टॉप यू हैव टू मेक इट ऑन. It might be off, but on the top you have to make it on. ईमेल आईडी दिग्विजय जी, जब आप गूगल शीट को सिंक कर रहे होंगे, whenever you go to sync, then it will automatically ask you to log in your account. जब आप सिंक पर बटन दबाओगे, it automatically ask you to sync in your account. वो वहीं पूछ लेगा. अगर वो वहां नहीं पूछ रहा तो यहाँ आपको यहाँ आने के बाद ये जैसे यहाँ लॉग आउट है, वहां आप लॉग इन कर सकते हो यहाँ आकर.
Sir, actually, where is that sync option?
Sync option is the sixth option here, sir, in the spreadsheet.
Okay.
You have to click on spreadsheet, then you will get the sync option. Got it?
Yes, sir. Got it. We should give sync automatic or
No, sync automatic will require premium version of this, but
Okay.
sync will not require it.
okay.
Sync automatic actually automatically syncs this, but in this application you have to manually sync it. Whenever you make a change in your Google Sheet, you have to put your finger on sync button, so it gets synced.
Okay.
So you need not to go for premium version.
Thank you, sir.
तो यहाँ से ये sync हो गया. Is that clear with everyone?
Yes.
Okay. So now you have put your questions over there. You have put your answers over there. You can test this application's working with this test reply. Click on this, write hi, and it will give you answer here. You can see the answer. People Trainers reply, we are a joint venture of People Trainers and Margdarshan Group. We do train people at digital marketing, business excellence, professional excellence, and life excellence. Type DM for this, type DE for this type. And if I write DM, and then it gives me the, sorry, I wrote DB, DM. Then it gave me the answer accordingly.
Sir, it doesn't matter that if it is a capital letter or small letter.
It doesn't matter.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
So you have tested your application, tested spreadsheet, 2 options you could know.
So
Yes,
its links doesn't get highlighted.
links are not getting highlighted whenever you put over there.
It's not getting hyperlink.
They will become hyperlink once you press enter just after the link. लिंक के बाद जैसे एंटर प्रेस करोगे गूगल शीट में वो लिंक बन जाएगा.
अभी जो आपने बताया था रिप्लाई किया था टेस्ट रिप्लाई, तो उसमें वो लिंक्स था वो हाइपर ये हाईलाइट हुआ था.
अच्छा, लिंक यहाँ हाईलाइट नहीं हुआ.
लिंक
और टेस्ट रिप्लाई में हाईलाइट नहीं होता है सर लोकमान.
टेस्ट रिप्लाई में हाईलाइट होगा
नहीं होता है,
या नहीं
होता
होगा?
नहीं है, वो इधर नहीं होता.
टेस्ट रिप्लाई वेब के साथ कनेक्टेड नहीं है ना सर, ये बिल्कुल आर्टिफिशियल एक कॉर्नर है.
ओके ओके.
हाँ, तो यहाँ हो गया, हमने टेस्ट रिप्लाई कर लिया, स्प्रेडशीट ऑप्शन हो गया हमारा. उसके बाद यहाँ हमारे पास, अब आपने देखा कि आपको हाई की जगह हेलो लिखने पर कुछ आंसर नहीं आ रहा था. अगर आपको हाय हेलो कुछ भी लिखे कोई, तो वही क्वेश्चन आए तो क्या कर सकते हो आप? यू गो टू वेलकम मैसेज and make it on, and now write that message here. जो आपका DM वाला मैसेज था, वेलकम, we are मार्गदर्शन गुरु, the people trainers. So you can write it here. Whatever first answer was there, which was mentioned in your Google Sheet, type DM4 digital marketing. Like this, you can write whatever you want to, just give the answer of your casual query. If somebody asks anything which is not defined in your Google Sheet as an option to answer, then it will answer with this welcome message. वो फिर आपका welcome message का आंसर करेगा. फिर आप कुछ भी लिखोगे, it will answer you this way. फिर आप इसमें से कुछ भी लिखेंगे तो ये आपको ये लिखेगा. Let's try this. ये देखिए, अभी मैंने हेलो लिखा तो मेरे को ये आंसर आ गया. अभी मैं लिखूंगा बाय भी लिखूंगा तो भी यही आंसर आएगा. जस्ट मिनट, अभी नहीं आएगा. एक बार देगा वेलकम मैसेज, एक बार देगा और फिर वो रिपीट नहीं करेगा उसको. तो एक बार वेलकम मैसेज एक बार देगा, उसके बाद आप उसको मेन्यू ऑप्शंस दे सकते हैं. यस, हेलो लिखो तो आपको आंसर आएगा. ये हो गया. अब यहाँ दो ऑप्शन और हैं जो मैंने शुरू में बताने थे, पर वो मैंने आपको बाद में बताया. In case you want to create a menu, then you can create the menu here also. यहीं आप मेन्यू क्रिएट कर सकते हो, मेन्यू बेस्ड चैटबॉट बना सकते हो. यहाँ मेन्यू जो मेन्यू हमने गूगल शीट में बनाया, in case you want to create it out of Google Sheet in this chatbot only, then you can create that menu here also. And how you can create this? You can watch the video. Video is also being provided by VoxAuto. You can watch this video. You can create your menu. So how you can create your menu? You have to type a message, then you have to add a list, like just a message. Welcome to People Trainers. Add a list of options. You can write option 1. This way, a list will get created here. तो यहाँ भी हम menus बना सकते हैं. ये सेकंड ऑप्शन था. Otherwise, there is custom reply. Custom reply, in case you make it on, then whatever you put reply here, वो आपका आंसर जाएगा यहाँ से. Custom replies में incoming word आपको बताना पड़ेगा. If somebody write hello, then your answer will go hi. And how are you? If somebody send hello, then it will answer with hi, how are you? In case you want to take the menu reply, you can click on menu reply. In case you want to reply with exact match, means if somebody write hello, then only hi, how are you will go, or contains hello. If somebody write a sentence which contains hello, then also this reply will go. So this is called custom reply. So there are 3 ways to design and define answers of the expected questions of your customers. 1, you can design, you can put all your question answers in Google Sheet. Second, you can create menu here. Third, you can, in case you have handful questions, means 5-10 questions only, then you can create custom replies also. You need not to go to Google Sheet. But in case you have multiple menus, multiple layer of menus, you can go in the menus and define all those menus. And in case you want to have a neat and clean work, so you have no comfort typing it here in your mobile phone, then what you can do, you just go to your computer, open your Google Sheet, write all your answers very comfortably, and it can sync all those question and answers with mobile phone and your Google Sheet. This way, this application can work very efficiently with you. Now, this was the basic WhatsApp tool, which actually works magically for you. And in case you download and get started with you, it can solve a lot of problems and make your life easy. And the advanced part of this, in case you want to have its advanced version, then there is one premium version. You can upgrade this. It will ask you 799 rupees. In 799, no ads, cloud backup, welcome message, email alert, server reply. So unlimited menu reply, automatic turn on, everything is available in 799, and that is for lifetime. You can upgrade. Apart from that, in case you create your chatbot somewhere else, so then that is based on artificial intelligence. If you have created somewhere on a platform, then that also can be synced with this through Dialogflow. Dialogflow is a platform created by Google, and Dialogflow is being used to create chatbots professionally. In case you go for Dialogflow, then you can integrate that Dialogflow also here. Yes. अब आपका कोई क्वेश्चन हो तो आप पूछ सकते हैं प्लीज. In case you have any question, you can ask it.
लोकमान सर
जी.
मेरा ये क्वेश्चन है, in case we are purchasing this WhatsApp, okay, 799. In case if doesn't work or anything, whom to contact? Who are the people to contact them? So how to contact them?
यहाँ आपके पास ऑप्शन है कॉन्टेक्ट अस. जैसे व्हाट्सएप का कॉन्टेक्ट अस होता है, वैसे ही कॉन्टेक्ट अस है. इनके कोई आपके पास फोन नंबर कॉन्टेक्ट्स नहीं है सर. ये तो प्रॉब्लम है इनके साथ. बिकॉज आई ऑल्सो परचेज व्हाट्स ऑटो सेंडर, and once my mobile phone got formatted, I could not revive it. That is a problem with that. तो यहाँ भी आप अपनी क्वेरीज को यहाँ लिख के भेज सकते हैं, जैसे व्हाट्सएप को भेजते हैं. दे गेट इट, बट आपके पास कोई ऐसा परमानेंट सॉल्यूशन नहीं है कि आप उनको लिख दें.
नहीं, उनका रेस्पॉन्स कैसे है सर?
नहीं, कोई रिस्पॉन्स मुझे व्हाट्सएप ऑटो रिस्पॉन्डर से तो नहीं आया. इनको मैंने कभी लिखा नहीं सर. मुझे अभी जरूरत नहीं पड़ी क्योंकि मैं इनका फ्री एप्लीकेशन यूज कर रहा हूँ.
Because there are cases where our mobile gets this thing. See,
Absolutely,
in WhatsApp,
absolutely.
we can shift from one phone to another phone.
बिल्कुल.
हमारा फोन नंबर दे दिया, हमने शिफ्ट कर सकता है.
बिल्कुल
Okay.
ठीक बात है.
इधर कैसे होगा?
हाँ, यहाँ ये प्रॉब्लम है. यहाँ इसको लिखना पड़ेगा और बस उनके रहमो करम पे ही हमें रहना है कि वैसे इनका एक वेबसाइट भी है और उस वेबसाइट पर बहुत ज्यादा इंफॉर्मेशन अवेलेबल नहीं है कि कॉन्टेक्ट इंफॉर्मेशन. जस्ट इन मिनट, आई एम एक्सप्लोरिंग इट. अबाउट अस है, प्राइसिंग है, contact us नहीं है. No, contact us is not there, sir.
If we want to reply, we need to write questions in social media. They'll definitely respond. This has happened. Yeah, so I was writing so many messages, they were not responding. When I wrote them on Facebook, I followed them and wrote there, then they responded.
Yeah, that might also work. But in case we have their pages where we can write, then we can do that. But I have no any strong answer of your question, Nagesh ji, because I have met with this problem with autoresponder and I could not get answer from them. But now to use it for free, so you can do it. Once you go for premium version, then this problem may occur to you once you format your mobile phone or you change your mobile number somewhere. Otherwise, to use it free, there is no problem.
No, maybe Arun Kumar sir, can you help us? Like how you contacted them? Like Facebook?
No, what I'm saying, basically, if they are not responding, so you search them on social media, Instagram or Facebook. Generally, I search them on Facebook, and I tag my question to them, and they are responding. Otherwise, in their post, if they have posted something, you just reply in their. So they are responding. They will be responding because most of the app is being made by some Indian people only. So it is WhatsApp name, it is merged, it is coded. So generally they are not professional enough. So this happened in past, and I got the reply because I purchased one software, video editing software. It was not working. And after doing that, they gave me that email. My email was permissible, and I again used that software.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So social media is the better platform. Social media is the better platform. On social media, we can catch them up.
I have tried, sir, WhatsApp. They have responded, so no problem.
That's great.
What is the
That's
email
great.
ID, Nawazji?
I had mailed them a long back. I had some queries, but they responded to me. I'll just check and let you know, sir.
So what's auto responded to, sir?
No, so mail will be there.
WhatsApp responded to me, sir.
Okay, great.
And
So,
also they
social
are
media.
very active in. This is not made from India. It is out of country. So they are very aggressive in Facebook and Telegram. They will reply you.
That's why. But
There is an option there to join the Facebook group and Telegram. You can join them. Even if you are a free member, you can join.
Okay.
Nawazji, in case it can help us, it will be better by giving their Facebook group
So
links or.
Nawaz,
No, it is there only.
Nawazji is in the group, and in case Nawazji, you could find those pages, please put in the chat box. Not chat box. You can put in the WhatsApp group, and we all are there. So
Sir, joining Telegram and all, you have showed no just. वहीं से आप डायरेक्ट ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं.
Okay. And Nagesh ji, in case you do some work on this, you also can please share this in this group, so that every one of us can get benefit of that. In case we stuck somewhere in the paid program of them.
Sure.
Yes. Any more question, please? किसी और को कोई सवाल है? 20-22 लोग हैं.
Sir, this is नंबर वगैरह तो ब्लॉक नहीं होगा ना?
हेलो.
Yes, please.
सर कोई दूसरा बता दीजिए फिर, अगर प्रॉब्लम्स कुछ है.
इससे नहीं प्रॉब्लम कोई नहीं है.
नंबर चल ही नहीं रहा. मैं चलाने की कोशिश में मेरा चला नहीं सर.
आपका नहीं चल रहा. आप कितने मोबाइल, आपके व्हाट्सएप कितने एक फोन पर?
एक ही है सर.
एक ही व्हाट्सएप है. तो आपके नोटिफिकेशंस ऑन करो, ये चले.
सर कर लिया मैंने वो तो ऑन.
नोटिफिकेशन ऑन कर लिया. अच्छा, मोबाइल फोन को एक बार रिस्टार्ट करके देखो, 100% चलेगा. अगर एक है तो जरूर, एक है तो चलने में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आती. अगर एक अकाउंट है.
सर यहाँ पे एरो वाला आपने बोला ना, राउंड वाला, वो नहीं चल रहा है. दूसरा डाउनलोड किया, वो सेम चल रहा है विदाउट एरो. सर्कल में जो एरो, मेरे साथ भी सेम ही होता है.
सर्किल विद एरो चल रहा है.
विद एरो नहीं चल रहा है, प्लेन वाला चल रहा है.
प्लेन वाला चल रहा है. अच्छा, इसके साथ ये 4 हैं, बट ये गूगल सीट के साथ इंटीग्रेशन बॉक्स ऑटो का होता है. बाकी गूगल सीट के साथ फ्री में इंटीग्रेशन नहीं करने देते. रादर मैंने 4 बताए आपको. वॉट्स ऑटो रिप्लाई, वॉट्स ऑटो प्लस था एक, और एक ऑटो रिस्पॉन्डर फॉर WA. 4 हैं. चारों में से आपके पास जो चलता है आप ऑन कर सकते हैं. ऑलमोस्ट सिमिलर हैं, बस गूगल सीट ऑप्शन सिर्फ इसी के साथ है. वॉट्स ऑटो रिस्पॉन्डर गूगल सीट ऑप्शन देता है, बट अगेंस्ट प्रीमियम वर्जन देता है.
WhatsApp is best, sir.
नहीं, that's best.
अच्छा सर, एक चीज और थी. मेरे इसमें व्हाट्सएप तो एक ही है, एक मैंने इसमें व्हाट्सएप बिजनेस इंस्टॉल करा है, वो कभी कभी यूज करता हूँ वैसे मैं व्हाट्सएप बिजनेस।
अगर
हाँ, दोनों
दो अकाउंट है व्हाट्सएप के आपके मोबाइल में, तो ये आपको थोड़ा मिसबिहेव शुरू में कर सकता है कि शायद ना चले। उसका एक सही तरीका ये है, थोड़ी देर के लिए एक व्हाट्सएप अकाउंट को हटा दो,
अच्छा
फिर आप WhatsAuto इंस्टॉल करो और फिर उसे ऑन करके चलाओ, ये चल जाएगा। फिर दूसरे वाले व्हाट्सएप को आप इंस्टॉल कर लो।
तो सर दूसरी कोई ऐप हो सकती है जो ऐसे, अभी पता क्या फिर ऐसा तो सारा मैसेज सारा डाटा
WhatsAuto रिस्पॉन्डर फॉर WA है, वो डाउनलोड कर लो। उसमें सेटिंग्स में ऑप्शन आता है कि आप कौन सा वाला व्हाट्सएप इसमें अप्लाई करना चाहते हो, बिजनेस और सिंपल। तो आप उसमें से कोई एक चूज करके उसमें लगा सकते हो और वो चलना शुरू कर देगा।
अच्छा, दोबारा से सर इसी को इंस्टॉल व्हाट्सएप ऑटो को दोबारा से कर लूं, क्योंकि मैंने ये तो पहले करा था।
करके देख लो, चारों में से कोई ना कोई जरूर चलेगा। नहीं चले तो मुझे सुबह एक बार AnyDesk पर कनेक्ट कर देना।
अच्छा ठीक है सर।
चलिए, और किसी का कोई क्वेश्चन है?
Sir, can you hear me?
Yes, please. Yes.
Sir, Vijay.
Yes, Vijay.
Sir, after syncing that Google Sheet, next step what, sir? We have to that server that we have to configure server.
So in case you have synced that,
I synced, and also the synced messages also I can see in that drop down. Synced message, one message is synced. For example, I put if hi, the question means I put your name and district. Okay. Can you understand, sir?
Yes, please.
Yes. After that, what should we do? And I tested also. From my another number, I put hi, but I didn't get that auto response.
So you send hi and you are not getting answer.
Yes.
So
What I missed?
Have you put hi also there as a question?
Yes, sir. In that spreadsheet column, it shows also that synced message.
Message. Okay.
Yes. In that drop down. Yes.
That's okay. So it might be an issue of settings. Two settings it asks to you. So what you can do, you just go to that left top 3 dots and click on not working, and you just go step by step and you follow all the steps and it will start working, in case you could follow all of them. And despite of that, in case you could not get it through, you can connect me tomorrow morning 10 a.m.
Sure.
And I can take your mobile phone on AnyDesk. Then we can do it.
Sure. Sir, before that, I missed something in between that process.
No, not a problem. So you can watch this recording once again.
No. I'm asking. I missed any procedure in that steps.
No, missed not, because the first step was download WhatsAuto. Second step was notifications making on. Third step, create a Google Sheet. Fourth step, sync it.
Yes.
And you synced it. Now you have to click on auto reply on. That is required. Go to the menu and auto reply on. You have to click on. It might be off over there.
In which menu, sir? Home.
Just
yes. A minute. Yes. I done now only.
Done. Now it might work. In the home tab, you have to on auto reply.
Yes, I done it now. After that, it shows another step. Read app notifications.
Read app notification. Yes.
WhatsApp prohibit.
Yes, your mobile is prohibiting to notifications for this particular application. You have to make it on.
Yes, I put allow. Okay, I done now, sir.
सर मोबाइल नंबर कहाँ पे कनेक्ट करना है वो एक बार दिखा दीजिए।
मोबाइल नंबर इसमें कनेक्ट नहीं करना सर, इसमें तो ये ऑटोमेटिक मोबाइल पे खुद ही लग जाता है। जब ये
that means for that Google Sheet the default mobile number, right?
Yes.
Okay.
मोबाइल नंबर इसमें सर जब सेकंड ऑप्शन होता है ना, तो ये वहां से ऑन करवाता है। तो वहां WhatsApp और WhatsApp business.
Sir, I got an auto reply now. It's get success.
Okay, great, wonderful.
Thank you.
ओके ओके वेलकम. Yes, please. Any more questions?
सर
We
अगर
can-
2 व्हाट्सएप नंबर है तो कौन सा एक नंबर से भेजना है तो वो कहाँ पर डालना है?
आप जब व्हाट्सएप में इसकी सेटिंग्स में जाओगे ना सर, तो ये आपको पूछेगा कौन से व्हाट्सएप के लिए इसको अलाउ करना है. आप नॉट वर्किंग में जब जाओगे तो वहाँ
Okay.
आप लिखोगे, जस्ट अ मिनट, नो, गो टू सेटिंग्स, ऐप सेटिंग्स, सपोर्टेड एप्स में जाओगे ना सर, वहां सपोर्टेड एप्स में जाके आप व्हाट्सएप बिजनेस या व्हाट्सएप एक एप्लीकेशन को सपोर्ट करना है इसके साथ.
ओके ओके.
ठीक है, तो वहां से फिर आप कनेक्ट कर सकते हो. कोई और क्वेश्चन है किसी का?